Okay, let's take a look at the daily Leetcode question. It's an easy one and called as the apply operations to an array. We are given zero indexed array nums of size n. We have to apply n minus 1 operation in the array when in the ith operation we will apply on ith element of nums. Okay, when nums of I is equals to nums of I plus 1, we'll just multiply our nums of I and we will uh, change our nums I plus 1 integer to 0. Okay, otherwise we'll just skip this. And after doing this we'll shift all 0 to the end. Okay, like this, like these zeros will be at the end of the array. Non-zeros number are at the start and zero numbers are at the end of the array. We'll return the resulting array. Note that the operation applies sequentially. Okay, we'll do this sequentially. So our constraint is 2 to 2000 of our array length and nums of I is 0 to 1000. Uh, Basically, that's what the question is.
We'll take a look at our first example. Our nums is 1, 2, 1, 1 and 0. Firstly, we'll mark our indexes here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll start with the 0th index. We'll put our I pointer here. We'll check if our 0th index and first index number integer is equal or not. 1 is not equal to 2, so we'll move our pointer here. Now we'll again check if our first index and second index integer is true is equal or not. Yes, it is equal. So what we'll do, we'll replace this with its double 4. We'll multiply this with 2 and the next integer will be replaced with a 0. We'll again check for our second and third indexed number. 0 is not equal to 3, so we'll move our pointer here simply. Again we'll check if 1 is equal to is 1 is equal to 1, so we'll convert this into 2 and this will be replaced with the a 0. Now again we'll make a check here on our fourth and fifth index array integer. 0 is equal to 0, so we'll basically 0th number double is also 0, so this will be again 0 and this will also 0. Okay, so from this what we observe that when the integer is 0, we'll simply skip this step to save our memory and time. So in the array we got 1 4 0 2 0 and 0. Okay, so in the question we were told to separate these non-zero numbers and zero numbers, so we'll basically make two arrays here. This will be non-zero and this will be 0. We'll make a check here. 1 4 and 2 are non-zero and 0 0 and this will return as, okay, like this will return.
Let's code this question. Initial is are non-zero as 0. Int n our nums length. We'll start a loop. Int I is equals to 0. I are less than n and n. Sorry, I plus plus. If I is less than n minus 1 and our nums is not equal to 0. Nums of I not equals to 0. Also, there was one more condition, right? Uh, for 0 was this, and for, okay, this one, I plus 1. So we will also add this condition here. Our nums of I is equals to nums of I plus 1, right? Like this, and we'll do nums. So firstly, for I, we multiply with 2. Okay, to get this, we'll use this operator here with 2, and we'll replace our I plus 1 with 0, right? If nums of I is not equal to 0, then what we'll do, will okay, actually we have to one more condition here. I not equal to our non-zero, sorry, will initialize the temporary number here to store nums of I, nums of I is equals to nums of set non-zero, and nums of non-zero equals to r what we'll define, yeah, temp non-zero temp. Then we'll increment our non-zero number plus like this, and return our what was the nums, yeah, nums here. Okay, let's try to run it. I think it should work fine. On line 19, there's a typo here. One second. Okay, we can now go ahead and submit it.